Okay, so let's take a look at the integral 1/2 secant squared 8x. So what do I want to do here? First things first, we got this 1/2. Let's just put it on the outside so I'm looking at less. So I'm going to integrate secant squared 8x dx. Now, if you know your trig integrals, then you know that secant squared, let me write this out, then we know, actually let me do this on a separate page. We know the integral of secant squared x dx is simply going to be tan x. So you need to know this. If you don't know this, you're gonna have some problems here. Okay. But once I know this, then I simply just let u equal 8x, because if I replace u 8x with u, then I'm just integrating secant squared u. Okay, so let's do that. So if I do this, I get du over dx equals 8. So du over 8 equals dx. And we're going to plug this bad boy in here. And u is equal to 8x, so that goes there. And so this just becomes 1/2 the integral secant squared, instead of 8x, I have, instead of 8x I have u, so secant squared u. Instead of dx, we have du over 8. Alright, then all I got to do, I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. I'm going to put this 8 on the outside, so I have 1/2 times 1 over 8. I say 8, but this is actually, because it's in the denominator, it's 1 over 8. So I have secant squared u du. And so this gives me 1 over 16 secant squared u du. And so what do I do from here? Well, like we said before, secant squared u is just tangent, so this is 1 over 16 tan u plus c, and u is simply 8x plus c. And that's my answer. Hopefully that makes sense. See you all in the next video.